getting ready for tag team match here. You have Hayden Shaw and the Liberty Kid versus the Dirty Birds. Should be an answer. Should be. Oh, Dirty Birds attack him. Bad. Whips him into the ropes. Oh, drop kick by Liberty Kid. Hayden Shaw with a drop kick. Referee trying to get some take control of the match in here. Twisting that wrist there. Side headlock by the Dirty Birds. Push him into the ropes. Down with Liberty Kid pleading his case. Liberty Kid's pleading his case, but it ain't doing no good. Dirty Birds are doing a good job of keeping them over in their corner so far.
Yep.
I know it's early in the match, but they're keeping them over in the corner. Whipped them into the ropes. Oh! Getting real good connection.
Yeah, it's in here, man.
Okay.
Maybe the Kid with the cover, about got the pinfall there.
Okay.
But Eddie Berthay, he used it with his whole body.
Here we go. Nice cutter by the Dirty Bird.
Yeah, it's freezing up again.
Definitely 2-on-1.
Yeah. YouTube and Facebook.
Nice powerful clothesline there. Liberty Kid's down. He needs to make a tag with Shaw. Yeah, they let Shaw in. Dirty Birds ain't worried about him at all.
I don't have a call.
Clothesline. And he kicks out. Shaw's kind of taking over a little bit on the Dirty Birds. Dirty Birds are just too powerful for him. Nice. There's a tag there. Liberty Kid's coming in. He acted like he really wasn't for sure if he wanted to come in. But he gets a nice kick in the midsection. Nice chop.
See, I don't know if it's my phone or if it's...
No, it's telling me that's dropping frames.
Oh, okay. Can you just replay later?
Yeah. Back up to their feet. Big knee to the gut. Oh, big spine buster.
Dirty Birds show some potential. They're a little raw, but with a little work, they could be really good.